So friends, let's start with today's beautiful recipe of marzipan fruits. So here I've taken 200 grams of cashew nuts. I've then soaked them in water for about 30 minutes. And then I'm going to grind them with a little bit of the water that it is soaked in to a very, very fine paste. We do not want any pieces of cashew nut in this paste. It should be completely and very fine. So this is our 200 grams of cashew nut paste, 200 grams of powdered sugar. This is 1 egg white and 1 teaspoon of almond essence. If you don't have almond essence, you can use vanilla essence too. So now I'm going to beat the egg white a bit, add that as well as the almond essence to the cashew nut paste and really mix it in well. Now I've put a pan on low heat, a heavy bottom pan. I'm going to add this paste along with the sugar, and now all we have to do is just stir this really, really well till everything comes together. And then on a low to medium heat, using a wooden spoon with a long handle, we are going to continuously stir this mixture till it thickens and till it starts to leave the sides of the pan. Now I'm going to do the water test. So I've taken about half a cup of water, room temperature water, and I've added about half a teaspoon of the mixture. If you're able to form a firm ball like this, that means your mixture is ready. So now you just transfer the mixture onto a plate and let it cool completely. And then once it is cool, just knead it to a very, very smooth dough. Now we're going to divide the dough into 3 parts and we're going to add colors of our choice. So I'm going with pastel colors like green, yellow and red. So I'm using gel colors because they really, they work really well and they don't really stain your hands, as well as the color just comes to, the perfect color you're looking for. So get the color in so that you have no white spots on your dough. Now I'll show you how to shape the different fruits. So we're going to start with pears. So just make a round ball like this, smoothen it out. And then with your fingers, just shape it to the top part of it, just narrow it down like this. Just the top part, and then flatten the base. So just keep on turning the top part like this. And then we're going to use cloves or lavangs as a stem. So once you've got the proper shape, just flatten the base and then just insert the clove with the the round end into the fruit, and that's your green pear. So I've done the same with the yellow too. And this marzipan dough is so easy to work with. So let the dough completely cool down, then knead them into small little rounds and then bring all the doughs together to form a nice one single big dough. And these fruits have a now I'm going to go with the apple. So I've just made a nice round and I've flattened the base, and then with a toothpick and a little bit of red color, I've just put a little bit of a kind of a design like this. It just makes the color stand out a bit, and then again insert it with the round of the lavang down, and that's your green apple. If you put, and now I'm going to do the strawberry. So I'm going to take the red and I'm just going to shape it like a strawberry. A little similar to the pear, but I'm going to flatten it down, and then I'm just going to lightly roll it over the rough edge of the grater, regular cheese grater, so it has that little bit of a rough kind of a strawberry look. And then again I'm going to insert the clove. Now I've taken a little bit of the red and the yellow together and formed an orange color, and I'm just going to make a round ball and I'm going to run it through the grater again, and I'm going to insert the long end of the clove into it and keep the round edge up, and that's how you get the orange. So I'm going to do this with all the fruits, with all the remaining dough. Just get creative, guys. You can make all the kind of fruits you want. You can make bananas and guava, just go be really creative, and do send me pics also of all the fruits that you've made on my Facebook page. I'll leave a link below. And now if you want to make little leaves for the fruits, just take a little bit of the green, just shape it up like a leaf like this. And then, just insert it at the side like that. You can even take out the clove and just insert it so the leaf remains, firm into the fruit like this. Doesn't that look pretty? So my tip over here would be try to get your hands on pastel, gel colors rather than using the liquid colors. And, you'll really get these. And of course, I've added a little bit of purple and I made these little plums also. I love the strawberry effect. It really looks very nice. And so does the orange. So in the orange, you got to put the clove the other way around with the stick inside. And for the other fruits, I made a little bit of red apples also. So that's it, friends. This was a highly recommended video. I got many requests from many people. Akshata, please show us some, marzipan fruits. And I also got a request from one of my friends, Joan Mendes. So, Joan, I hope you like this recipe. And to all of you all who had requested, I hope you all like this recipe. And all of you all, I hope you all try out this recipe and give your Christmas tray a new and beautiful look. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in my next recipe soon. Bye.
I hope you liked today's recipe as well as today's video, and if you would like to see more videos like this, then don't forget to leave this video a big thumbs up. Also, by clicking the thumbs up icon. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and become a part of Akshata's recipes. Once you have subscribed, there is a small little bell icon that will pop up, so just click on that. That way, whenever I put up a new recipe or a new video, you get a message for the same. So on that note, I'll say bye and I'll catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshata saying bye, take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be kind and loving to one another. So till we meet again, bye.